We have been injuring ourselves since childhood till now, but we never thought that what happens after that, how our body heals itself. This is what we study in pathology. The word pathology also refers to the study of disease or injury. In general, incorporating a wide range of bioscience, research fields, and medical practices. The fundamental principles of pathology are key to understanding diseases in all organ systems. So today we will be discussing about pathology, cellular injury. Watch the video till end. Let's get started. Cellular adaptation. In cell biology and pathophysiology, cellular adaptation refers to changes made by a cell in response to adverse or varying environmental changes that can be physiological or pathological. In physiological, example, uterine enlargement during pregnancy, whereas in pathological, myocardial hypertrophy. These 5 major steps cellular adaptation includes hypertrophy, hyperplasia, atrophy, metaplasia and dysplasia. As you can see in diagram, normal cells, change in cell size or number, it is reversible. In hyperplasia, controlled proliferation of stem cells and differentiated cells, increase in number of cells, excessive stimulation. This pathological hyperplasia is example is endometrial hyperplasia. In hypertrophy, increase structural proteins and organelles, increase in size of cells. Example is cardiac hypertrophy. In atrophy, decrease in tissue mass and decrease in size leads to or causes loss of blood supply, loss of hormone stimulation and poor nutrition. In normal cells, reprogramming of stem cells, replacement of one cell type by another that can adapt to a new stress, such as gastric acid in esophagus or cigarette smoke in respiratory ciliated. Cellular adaptation summary. Hyperplasia increases number of cells, example endometrial uterine hyperplasia. Hypertrophy, increase in size of cell, increase in structural proteins and organelles, example cardiac hypertrophy. Atrophy, decrease in tissue mass due to decrease in size, example muscle atrophy. As you can see here in diagram, decrease in biceps due to muscle atrophy. Metaplasia, replacement of one cell type by another that can adapt to a new stress, example gastric acid, Barrett esophagus, cigarette smoke, respiratory cell replacement. Dysplasia, reversible plus change in cell structure, example increase nuclear cytoplasmic ratio. Coming to last part, we have two types of cell injuries: reversible cell injury, irreversible cell injury. In normal cell, when reversible injury occur, cellular or mitochondrial swelling occur, ribosomal detachment, then membrane blebbing, nuclear chromatin clumping. These will be reversible. Whereas in irreversible injury, nuclear degradation occur, increases mitochondrial permeability, plasma membrane damage, rupture of lysosome and autolysis, cell death occur, necrosis. Thanks for watching. You can practice this cellular adaptation and cell injury MCQs in part 2. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do it right now. If you have any doubts, you can drop message in inbox. If you like this video, please share.